How to improve your communication skills. I personally am developing my communication skills as well. If you look at my first 5 videos, you can see that I wasn't that good at communicating. If you look at my latest videos now, you can see that I've been improving. And what I've learned is to start talking more. When I say start talking more, start talking to more people, start talking to your family members, just start talking more, because it gives you the chance to reflect on what you've been doing wrong, what you could improve on, what you've been saying wrong, and slow down when you're talking, because when you're talking, it really starts from the brain. When I say it starts from the brain, when you stop talking so fast and you actually start to slow down and create your sentences, you'll be able to develop great sentences and stop talking trash. You stop talking trash because you're thinking about what you're saying. You're slowing down, thinking about what you're saying, and creating great sentences to actually put out. And next thing that we all should do is start being more efficient when you're talking. When I say efficient, I mean to stop talking and saying, like, I guess, stuff like those, because those saying gives the vibe that you're talking like a little kid. Like, a little kid is the only people that talk like are teenagers. And if you're a teenager watching this trying to improve your speech, props to you. Props to you. As I was saying, start being more efficient. Stop talking and saying like, I guess. Those gives the vibe of a little kid. Start slowing down more to give that vibe. Put value on your talking. When I say put value on your talking, I mean when you slow down, people will start listening to you more. When you're talking fast, you just you're just laboring. You need to slow down. Start talking more. Be more efficient. Start focusing on things that you can improve while talking to actually make improvements. That's the way I see it. Stop saying stop saying like, stop saying this. For example, I went to the shop and I looked around the corner and I saw this man, and he was like, I can't find my dog. So I was like, probably he's somewhere there. So probably he's somewhere around there. You realize that sentence doesn't sound good. To be honest, it just doesn't sound good. Listen to this now. I went to the shop and I looked around the corner, and guess what I saw? I saw a man looking for his dog, and he asked me to help him look for the dog as well. And I was like, probably the dog is around there. Probably he's somewhere under the cars. Probably he's somewhere there. If you realize, I use like once. When I say stop using like and and all those stuff, I mean to not use it as much as we in society do. Like, every sentence Every sentence we use like I guess. Stop doing that. Start cutting down on how much you use those things. I don't even know what they're called. But start cutting down on those stuff. Start slowing down and improving your speech and creating your sentences perfectly. And a next thing that I've learned is to learn to branch out while talking. For example, let's say I say that I'm living in Jamaica. You could ask, how's it in Jamaica? Is the weather good in Jamaica? Are the girls good? How's the parties? How's the beach? Those questions gives you the chance to create other things to talk about. Because if I just said I'm living in Jamaica and you just said okay, there's nothing else to talk about. You didn't branch out. There's nothing else to talk about. So learn to branch out, start talking more, start slowing down while talking so that you can create good sentences, and stop using like and that much. Also, study people that you want to talk like. It could be Patrick Henry. Read some of his books, look at some of his speech, and start taking pauses where he paused at. Start doing stuff like those. It could be Martin Luther. Look at some of his speeches and I wouldn't say to copy him, but learn from them. Learn from them, because if you want to talk like him, you need to learn from him so that you can talk like him. You know? Yes. For everyone that has commented, thank you for the advice. I appreciate you and you are welcome. We have a 10K goal. I appreciate everyone that is helping me to reach 10K. Subscribe, it really helps, and I'm out.